Do you want to learn about a 100K plus remote job opportunity? Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Terrence, and I want you to stick with me so I can tell you more about it.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
Alright, guys, in today's video, we're just going to be reviewing a job opportunity that I stumbled upon that I thought would be an awesome idea to share with you guys, okay? And this job opportunity is offered by a company called Dior. Dior is a very high-end, luxurious fashion brand. They offer a variety of expensive and high-end products that are worn by a lot of people. Okay, so they're a very respectable and popular brand. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the actual position itself. So the position name is Planner Assistant, and it's remote, which is a very awesome thing. Okay, so here are the details of the position right here. Here are the duties and responsibilities listed right here. Really quick, guys, this video is sponsored by a luxurious eyewear brand called Casual Optics. I have on one of their optic pilots right now, and as you can see, these look amazing. They did a really awesome job with the design on this thing. All of their shades have built-in UV protection, so your eyes are protected from the sun's glare at any point in time. These have amazing durability. You know, I can't recall the number of times I've dropped these shades and they still look brand new. Okay, they have an awesome deal going on right now, a buy one get one half off deal going on right now. So hop on over to casualoptics.com so you don't miss out. All right, back to the video. The requirements you have to meet. Well, let me also touch on this, guys. Right here, it lists the requirements needed to, apply to this position. But please don't let this deter you. There are a lot of companies out there that just list these just for show. Okay, what they're looking for are people who could successfully complete all these responsibilities right here. So if you apply to this job, you make it to the interview, and you prove to them that you can efficiently complete all these responsibilities in here, then you get the job. Okay, so please don't let this discourage you one bit. All right, and another awesome thing about this position is that the salary ranges from $83,000 to $112,000. Okay, on top of it being remote. Okay, this is an ideal position. Okay, being able to complete these responsibilities in the comfort of your own home and getting paid to do so, and being able to fund those entrepreneurship endeavors that you're working on or pursuing that's what makes it such an ideal opportunity. Okay, so don't worry, guys, I'll make sure to post this job page in the description below so you can apply to this if you're interested. All right, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a really short video just to cover this job opportunity that I stumbled upon, like I said before. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment, or head on over to this job position right here, because this page will most likely answer any questions relating to this. If you have any questions, any other questions, just go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll respond to that ASAP. All right, guys, peace.